Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best food steamers. Through extensive research and testing we've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget, if you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Aroma Housewares Rice Cooker Food Steamer. The Aroma Housewares Rice Cooker/Food Steamer is a 1/5 quart capacity, for rice, 3 cups uncooked or 6 cups cooked, steamer and rice cooker with a tempered glass lid, aluminum and stainless steel body with an attractive fire engine reed laminate, and a removable non-stick metal steaming tray. It comes with a durable clear plastic measuring cup for rice and a handy serving spatula, and features one-touch functionality that stops cooking when water is depleted but keeps food warm. With an automatic warming function that turns on when cooking is completed, it excels at cooking perfect rice, but it's also excellent at steaming veggies, meat, and other grains, and can even be used for stews like jambalaya and gumbo. Its significantly smaller cooking capacity than most models means it's not ideal for family-sized meals, and it's heavier than many models available, giving it limited portability. However, its reliability, one-touch ease of use, and included accessories make it a great choice for making small, healthy meals quickly, solidly built and powerful, with an automatic keep warm function to keep recipes from becoming cold, and shipping with a bevy of useful accessories, including a steam tray, a spatula, and a handy measuring cup. Number 2. Bella 7 for Cutie 2-tier food steamer. Most electric steamers are surprisingly expensive, but this one is both affordable and widely raved about. The 7 quart capacity can fit a lot of food, whether you're steaming meat, fish, or vegetables, or cooking dim sum, hard-boiled eggs, or grains. The steamer comes with a 5-cup capacity rice bowl. Setup is quick and easy, and the electric base heats up quickly to minimize your wait time. The base features a water level indicator, an external water filler for easy refill without having to interrupt the cooking process, and an auto shut-off when the water runs out, which is a great safety feature. You just add your food to the steamer, set your dial, and go about your business. Very set it and forget it style. Whether you're washing the removable parts by hand or in the dishwasher, cleanup is very easy. A few users note experiencing a bit of leaking from their steamer, so you may want to place it on a towel as you get the hang of using it. It can be good to keep an eye on your food so that it doesn't overcook while in warm mode. A guide is included with cook times so that you can get just the right level of doneness for different foods. Pros: auto shut off when water runs out. Large capacity. Easy to set up, use, and clean. Can cook grains and hard-boiled eggs. Cons: made of plastic. Number 3. Hamilton Beach 37530, a digital food steamer. This 5.5 quart electric steamer has 2 tiers that stack for cooking then nest for more compact storage, so you can use just 1 tier for cooking smaller batches or 2 tiers for larger batches. The tiers have a removable center divider so that you can keep food separated, or remove the divider to cook larger ingredients. The rice bowl can be used for rice or for other small foods that need to be contained, like peas or corn off the cob. When the steaming is done, the steamer automatically switches to a keep warm setting for 1 hour before turning off to avoid overcooking the food, although our tester noted that it can sometimes continue cooking the food past the point of doneness. Speaking of settings, there's a digital touchpad that makes controlling the cooker easy. The delay start feature lets you fill the steamer with produce in advance and start the cooking later. This feature shouldn't be used for highly perishable foods like fish, poultry, or meat. This steamer includes a drip tray and rice bowl that are dishwasher safe. The food containers should be hand washed. When you're done, the drip tray and rice bowl are safe to put in the dishwasher, while the rest of the steamer can be wiped down. Pros: includes 2 steaming trays. Can steam taller items. Steam delay setting. Easy to use timer. Cons: trays are made of plastic. Number 4. Tiger Rice Cooker with Food Steamer Basket. We move on to the basics. Let us talk about its ability to cook rice and steam your main dish all at once. Place the rice bowl inside the steamer and put the steamer tray with the veggies or fish over it to let it steam simultaneously. Featuring 4 options of synchrony cooking: plain rice, brown rice, and slow cooking. it gives you the freedom to choose your preferences. The others are pretty self-explanatory, and the synchrony function is for the simultaneous steaming and cooking we talked about before. With a power of 672 watts, it quickly generates heat to steam your food to perfection. The bowls are non-stick, so you do not have to worry about food sticking or hard cleanup. For you to save money, the Tiger food steamer and rice cooker come with a non-stick spatula, cooking plate, and measuring cup. Even with all these features, Tiger made sure that the steamer does not lose its looks. Coming with a white and stout design, it looks pretty cute on countertops and is easy to store as well. Pros: for cooking options, non-stick bowls allow easy food release, comes with a whole set of tools, looks good in the kitchen. Cons: no signals for when steaming is complete. Number 5. Progressive International Microwave Mini Steamer. If you prefer to cook without added fat but want a time-saving option, a microwavable food steamer is a sound compromise. No oil is needed, and food is ready within minutes. These are an ideal way to save time when only one aspect of your dish needs quick steaming, like the potatoes in our potato and broccoli curry. This steamer by Progressive International is called Mini for a reason. It is designed for single-serving portion sizes with a capacity that holds approximately 2 cups of food. When not in use for steaming, the non-stick basket doubles as a colander for straining noodles or rinsing fruit. Our Prep Solutions by Progressive Microwave Mini Steamer allows anyone to quickly and easily steam fresh or frozen vegetables. It is made from high-heat polypropylene, is BPA-free and dishwasher-safe. They have been reimagining the kitchen for over 40 years. Modern convenience and on-the-go lifestyles have led them to create a microwave steamer perfectly sized for college dorms and office break rooms. What we love: non-stick surface, BPA-free, dishwasher-safe, doubles as a colander. What we don't love: small capacity, plastic.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.